Hi stamp collectors, I am going to share with you today about the story behind the stamp issued on Post Day. So let's go to the video. Pixel reads World Post Day commemorative stamp. World Post Day on October 9th was celebrated with 192 member countries around the world. This year's theme for World Postal Day is Together for Trust, collaborating for a safe and connected future. World Postal Day was declared by the Universal Postal Union held in Tokyo in 1969 to commemorate the anniversary of the creation of the Universal Postal Union, UPU, in 1874, and its purpose is to improve public awareness of the role of mail in everyday life. In conjunction with World Postal Day, all countries issue a commemorative stamp that is recommended to be issued equally, and this year's issue is very special. It is clearly seen that the picture there is not a clear and well-crafted one at first glance. But it is actually another creative step in the Universal Postal Union's mission of championing communication. With a unique theme and a visual combination to match, you won't recognize this commemorative stamp without reading it. So, come and read this stamp and learn by reading. The image on this commemorative stamp shows two hands in solidarity. The painting is unclear. This is a digital painting with low pixel count. A pixel is the smallest unit of a digital image or graphic that can be displayed and represented on a digital device. Pixels are combined to form a complete image, video, text or any visual on a computer screen, television or mobile phone screen. Pixel size usually determines the clarity and sharpness of the image. At the heart of commemorative stamp blurring is the process of sharpening the image based on pixel size. It takes the idea out into the world on the Universal Postal Union's digital initiative. The two hands depicted on the stamp symbolize unity and partnership. Also, each pixel in this painting represents post offices scattered around the world. According to figures from the Universal Postal Union, nearly 100,000 of the world's 650,000 post offices lack adequate internet infrastructure, limiting the services they can provide through digital channels. When you look closely at this commemorative stamp, you'll see that just like every pixel here, there's a testament to the vital contribution of every post office. And when all the post offices of the world join the digital system, or when more pixels are joined, the picture becomes better visible. Moreover, it is only when one moves one's eyes away from the edge and looks at the image as a whole that one can clearly see that these pixels merge into the larger picture. It is a visual effect that beautifully and creatively presents the importance of teamwork. In a world dominated by connections, this commemorative stamp reminds us that we are strengthened by the embrace of cooperation and unity and the bond of trust. The Universal Postal Union is a committed partner in building a secure and connected global network that serves nearly 8 billion people with modern and secure services every day, and their Connect Post digital platform to deliver a wide range of digital, financial and social inclusion services to all citizens and businesses. An ambitious target has been set across the initiative. The goal of the Universal Postal Union is to connect every post office to the Internet by 2030. The Connect Post initiative, which aims to engage citizens and businesses in the communities they serve in a meaningful digital process, has been developed in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and the United Nations Common Agenda with the support of Japan's Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications. It is the creative responsibility of a true communicator to understand that the present becomes history if we do not act in the present for a goal of changing the future. The 2023 World Postal Day commemorative stamp teaches us such a unique lesson.